Hello, today's video is showing you how to swap beans, these coloured beans, from one side to the other, so that there's only three different colours on each side, which helps you with the solving the beans. Now, I did create a video a little while ago which actually shows you how to do the final solving, and the final solving is where each of those circular areas just have the one colour bean in it. And I was just looking at one side of the puzzle, so I'll put the link in the description below where to find that video. But this one is actually going to show you how to swap the beans from one side to the other, so there's only three colours on each side. So at the moment there's 6 colours on each side, so white, pink and blue, and yellow, green and brown. So what I'm going to do is keep the white, pink and blue on one side, and the other side will just have the yellow, green and brown on it. So there. Okay, so to do that then, we've got these, obviously there's these 6 circular zones on the puzzle, and then there's a top zone, and the top zone has 5 coloured beans in it. And to move from one side to the other, so that there you just spin that around, and suddenly those 5 there are on the other side. And you can do that on each of the 3 sort of circular arms. You can spin that around, and that's the only way that you're going to move colours from one side to the other, doing it that way. Okay, so what we need to do then obviously is to work out which colours we need to move and put those colours up here in this top zone. Do the same thing on the other side, spin it round, and then suddenly I've moved 5 beans that are incorrect on this side to the other side, and then vice versa. There's 5 beans that have come across. Okay, so this side is going to be white, pink and blue. So all those other colours, the yellow, brown and green, those sort of earthy colours, I'm going to put 5 of those together and move them around. So let's have a look here. So I've got 3 greens there. On down here I've got a yellow and a brown. So if I spin that around like so, and then suddenly I've got 5 green, 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 brown and yellow that I can move to the other side. So what I'll do is I'll spin that round, and into here I need to put white, pink and blues. So to do that I've got 1, 2, 3, 2 whites and a pink, and I'll move that blue. Actually, I'll move that if I move those 2 blues together like that. And I'll spin that loop around like so. Spin it round, and then suddenly I've got 2 blues, a pink and 2 whites there, ready to go. And then the other side I've got the 3 greens, a brown and a yellow. So as I spin that around like so, then suddenly 5 beans have been returned to the correct side on this side of the puzzle, and then 5 beans have been returned to the correct side on this side of the puzzle. Okay, so I'll do that again. I'll turn it around here, and I've got a group. I've got, what have I got there? Oh, I've already got 5 together. Pink, blue, 2 pinks and a blue. So I've got those to spin around, so I'll turn it over. And, oh, there we go. I've already got yellow, 2 browns, a green and a yellow there all ready to go. So it's on the opposite side. So I spin that around, and they've been returned to the correct side, and they've been returned to the correct side. That's pretty good. And try over here then. It's a bit harder as you go along. There I've got a brown and a yellow. So what I'll do is I'll put that in that position there. So as I spin it around, it's suddenly next to that other brown, and then I've got a yellow and a brown together like that. And then what I'll do is move that yellow to there. So I'll spin that round to there, move it around, and then I'll have 2 yellows and a brown together, like so. Sometimes the puzzle sticks. And there we go. So I've got a yellow and a brown together. Oh, and then I've got 2 more browns here that need to be moved around. So I'll spin it like so, push those around, and then I've got 2 browns, 2 yellows and a brown up in the top zone, and all the rest are the white, blue and pink on the right side, on the correct side. And spin that around, and then now I've just got to, on the other side of this one, I've got to create 5 beans together of the pink, white and blue. So I'll just spin that around if I can. There we go. Oops. So I've got a blue, white and pink together. There's another pink there, so I'll push it into that spot and spin that around. And I've got 4 together like so. Pop that there, the white one there, and spin that around so it drops into there. Spin that round. And so I've got white, pink, blue, white, pink up the top there. And the other side I've got those, the 2 browns, 2 yellows and a brown that need to be returned to the other side. So spin that back. And there suddenly I've got white, pink and blue all on the one side, and now I've got the yellow, green and brown, those sort of earthy colours, all on the one side. So you can mix and match. You could put white, yellow and green on one side and pink, blue and brown on the other side. You can do whatever you like with those ones. And now if you want to actually finally solve the puzzle and have all whites, all blues and all pinks in each of those circles, then go down to the link and watch my other video on solving it. And the only other tricky thing is at the moment it was lucky because there was an even number of as in 5. It was lots of 5s that I had to transfer over. But what actually happens, I'll show you what you've got to do if you've got an odd number or not a number that's not divisible by 5. So what I'll do is I'll push 2 beans there. So I've got a pink and a white there on the wrong side. And then also I've got there we go, I've got 2 browns on the wrong side. So if it's an odd number, obviously you don't have the 5 to put up the top like so. And every time you try and spin it round, then there you've got 3 on the wrong side, and there you've got 3 on the wrong side. So if we go back again, and how to move those 2 across, is we'll put those 2 brown on the bottom zone, in the bottom 5, and then we'll go strictly over to the other side. They're there already, and they've got to be in the top section, the top zone, directly on the other side. So I'll just look at that again. We've got the white and the pink that have got to go to the other side there. They're there in the top zone, and then directly underneath there on this side. But down below, we've got the 2 browns. So as we spin that around like so, then all we need to do, we've suddenly got 5 of those browns and yellows, the earthy colours, there together. Look on the other side, and now we've suddenly got those 5 together again. And all we need to do is spin it back like so, and they're back to the other side. So that's what you do if there's less than 5, I suppose is the way to describe it. So less than 5. So I just that's what I was talking about there. I'll just talk that through again. If at the end you have less than 5 coloured beans to swap sides, then put the mismatched beans in the top zone on one side and the others in the bottom zone directly opposite each other. Spin the top zones and move until the 5 are in the top zone, and then spin again. So I'll just show that again because it's worthwhile seeing, because that's the tricky part. I'll move that round, and suddenly then I've got the white and the pink again and the 2 browns on the wrong side. So what we'll do is we'll put the 2 browns on top this time to make it a little bit different. 2 browns on top there, and then we'll put the white and the pink underneath, but they'll have to go in the bottom zone. So if it's the bottom zone one side, it's the top zone the other side, and vice versa. And once you're happy with that position, spin them around, and then you've got your 5 together again. And then all you need to do is spin that around again, so you've got your white, pinks and blues together. check the other side. There's your yellow, brown, and just yellow and browns together. Spin it back, and there we go. Each side now, once again, has only 3 colours, and then you can easily solve this puzzle by watching the instructions in my other video. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.